Today, we're diving into a super exciting and incredibly tasty topic: the best fruits and veggies that are not just good for your body, but are fantastic brain boosters for kids. Imagine powering up your brain with every bite, making learning fun and easy. Let's embark on this delicious journey together, discovering how to fuel the young geniuses in our lives with the right kind of snacks. First up on our list is the mighty avocado. This creamy, dreamy fruit is packed with both monounsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health. These fats help to improve blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive function, essentially making avocados a brain's best friend. Next time you're making a sandwich or a salad, consider adding a slice or two of avocado for that brain-boosting punch. Moving on, let's talk about berries, specifically blueberries and strawberries. These little bursts of flavor are not just delicious, but are also loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants are vital for improving memory and motor skills, making berries a perfect snack for kids. They can easily be added to cereals, yogurts, or even enjoyed on their own. Imagine snacking on something so tasty and knowing it's helping your brain grow stronger. That's the magic of berries for you. Now, let's not forget about our green heroes, spinach and broccoli. These veggies are power-packed with vitamins and antioxidants that are known to foster new brain cell growth and improve brain function. Incorporating these into meals can be a fun and creative process. Whether it's a green smoothie or a broccoli stir-fry, there are endless ways to make these veggies a part of your family's diet. And there you have it, folks, a few of the top fruits and veggies that are not just delicious, but are amazing brain boosters for kids. Incorporating these into your daily diet can be a game changer in enhancing learning and cognitive function. We hope this video inspires you to make some nutritious choices for your little ones. Before we wrap up, we'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite brain-boosting snacks or recipes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and informative content. Together, let's make learning and healthy eating a joyful journey for our kids. See you in the next video.